Baye Paul Kapo Karaburase County ya Nyamiru Mwancho Muligiria Niga Sentunda ende Aboro Kiaba Junior Secondary School bagendere ko babako ye moche serikali asogo taikirania chira chyogo ikirania amaganiabo muna inchira moyo kubalika embere mo asensemo area ya permanent aschinsemo nigo Aboro Kiaba bagendere to ko babako robekana nabo igo koro kigo taiseneka kwabo inchira serikali gendete ko bage ko iranelia okoboria kwabo ime county ya Nyamira nigo Aboro Kiaba banyara ko bakorobekana obukatakati bomojo ya sekelia boyo bagendera ko bakomocha serikali anene kiombekelie yokolika Aboro Kigia Teacher Service Commission na senchira bagendeta ko babako bwatoka amarube bochia saba na siasa abo bagendeta ko babakoena na amarube ayochinga kibono bagendrete amone emega yabo yake siasa bagukwana yobanyara ko bakobolia serikali nyara ko bigo itaberana na eukona chagwa ekigambiro unabanyara ko bakulikwa emiremo asensemo area ya permanent gagotomonye muri kwito Vincent Onyanja
Imeje county ya Nyamira abungati abarimu ba junior secondary school bakorokana kwemungania anemona sotsana kwabo nemerimo kurwa serikali anansensemerie yokonyara kurigero ryokogani kwabo igochinga kichi abarimu abanyare bagotebuna abatekera na semerimo yabo kubatekera bune serikali tana gotegerero kogani kwabo asokonyara kubalikana nigo bakane gotari kogotera sentere ye konda asabagani kuri kogotera sentere ya permanent and pensionable Igona nyina oba mochiri gati y'abana siasa korokana gosona na sokoliko ko barimu asabatebere bunabantu nabo igabanu bakorete skuru asinga kiyama igababeriska semya kemenge wekirabone gati bararikwa asinga kechi batebere bunabarimu bakore skuru bangoiga nigo barokane korwemeremo nabandu gutigwesko abo bakorete skuru emyaka yamagega.
We have seen several letters splashed in funerals and political rallies. Yes. Initially the procedure was that just you graduate earlier, you get appointment earlier. But what we are seeing now is that our political leaders are bringing letters to give people who graduated about even 2 months ago, leaving those of us who have been in the field who graduated about 2017, 2014, 2016. Honestly, it's extremely unfair.
Igochinga kichi boy gwanyarre komoche mwoba igere kurwa ase Kiombekelia Teacher Service Commission TSC asokorokana kubachari abarimu ba junior secondary.
One of the lawyers of TSC one week ago said that we are cleaners and painters, and so we are here to confirm to them that we are not going to those school because we are painters and we are cleaners until they come out and apologize.
Dengana gendrete koletari birari tindi anemono kurwasa abarimu ba junior secondary asogote abuna wekirabone igati baranyara bakonyi bonde bwensi nakoganya Teacher Service Commission akwane kumunangotegerere na koigwa okogani kwabo.
Iwapo sisi si employees wa TSC, basi sisi ni nani na kwa nini tuende shuleni? Mbona watu amuru turudi shule na wanajua vyema kwamba sisi si employees, wanatuita cleaners and painters.
Chingakie chibo igoni gobate beruna mbali go chikotigara maigamba gendera kurwandira okogani kwabo nago tuguterengane nde yonsi gochicherigwa nago tebuna wikeserikali eigwe nago tegerera okogani kwabo.
Not going to bow down to any intimidations from anyone. Those are the teachers calling us CSOs, telling us out of our job. We are not going to quit this war. We will continue fighting. We will remain to be cleaners and painters until you know our worth and us to permanent and pensionable.
Ayani gagendrete kone kiwakara kali serikali yabakegote bongo tera somo nyakrobe budget wegoro mubunga bansemo ya Kiharuni ni Nyoro asogote abune serikali ni gebega tensemo wetane chi billion kira konye asokonyara koliko kwa balimu libuli ndribuna abalimu chirigwe merongene na batano mu bachikoliko gwetensemo ya serikali asomuro permanent and pensionable onsi kyanda ikomine libuna umurubero CBC gosonanyaro siroka nego cha sabalimu ko reporter ya Ndizi TV Nenchenkorokwa Vincent Onyanja.